because we have very old house, this kind of unpredictable budget issue is unavoidable, especially in the kitchen. Therefore, we just had to bite the bullet, install the new wire, and accept the timeline. Okay. But look at all the new lights. I have 6 in this room, and I will have 6 in this room. And we decided to add an island right here. We shall see what happens tomorrow.